Hey, this is Steven from Legit Tech Tutorials, the Legit PC and the Legit Mobile. Um, so we are back working on Zombie Alamo. This is video 2. Just finished the other video about 2-3 minutes ago. So basically what we're looking at now is what I wanted to see was I wanted to make sure, because again I set this all up, I didn't mess with much, but I wanted to make sure that Visual Studio and Unity was synced up. Because if I change something in Visual Studio and I save it, does something delete here? And indeed it does. So I'm going to show you what I changed. So basically I spelt this wrong in the drop key. So just go up here, copy this, and then paste it down here into the drop key, into the setter. I got wrong. So it is synced up. So when I did change that, it did change here. So that's good. Oh, I think it's... So what line is that? This one. Okay. Oh, I think up here it's not static. Oh, it's not static. I think we're gonna have an issue though, because it's not gonna be able to call from somewhere else. That's why I think it just set it, and I instantiated up there in the update. Okay. So let's do this. So hey, what do you know? Back in the day, I did know what I was doing a little bit. Okay. So basically, oops. And then pretty much I set this and then in here it sets it to false. Okay, so now it shouldn't have any problems now. But I don't know if I got rid of that. Okay, I didn't. Alright, good deal. Oops. Oh. Oh, here. I need to set a death location. I think it's going to be vector 3. Death location. If this, then we could set death location. Death. Death. this should be okay. Oh, that's why it didn't come up, because I couldn't use it. Okay, so it is connected there. Oh, I deleted it, I forgot. So it's pretty fast compiling here. Yeah, it's pretty freaking quick. Okay, so 6. So I need to kill 1. 2. What was there? 5? 3. I killed 3. 4. 5. Oh, there it is. But they're interacting with it. So can I make them pass through it? Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is I need to make it non-interactable, so there's a thing in here. I think it's just IsTrigger. Yeah, so now it should just let him go through it. But I want it to be in front. Okay. Layer. I think it's UI. I think UI is in front of everything. Yeah, UI is in front of everything, I think. Okay, well, console. What's this refreshing stamina thing? Okay. Refresh. Oh. What's stamina rate? 35 times time. I think that's pretty low. I think that's what that is. And the delta time is very, very slow. Oh, and I think it's concatenating it too. So let's see. Yeah, but basically this is just cutting it. So yeah, we're gonna have to work on that. That's another thing we're gonna have to work on. But right now, I'm gonna delete this, or I'm gonna comment it out because it's putting in a lot of noise into the console for what we're doing right now. So we do want to do that because I do want it to refresh, stamina to refresh over time. But basically, what it's doing is concatenating. It's basically. Why do I have 6 again? What's the chance of getting 6? Oh, it is going up. Ah, UI still behind. Okay, so I think that is in front, so I think as it does that, it goes behind. But why is the stamina in front of the background then? That doesn't make any sense. Oh, now it's 7. Okay, good. So it is changing. Five, 6. Still behind, man. What you? Okay. So what's the zombie prefab? Oh. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna lay this out and see if it. No, zombies are still in front of it. Is it changing where they are? Pause. Zombie. No, not that. Zombie. Zombie. He's in UI. Let's add one. Let's call this. Oh, these are built in. Oh, sorting layers. Oh. Okay, so this we want stamina layer. So, but where is that? But where can we set the these guys? Okay. Okay, so let's try this again. Oh, I didn't set it. So let's set this stamina power. Just stamina, see what happens. Strange. Oh, okay, so this we want stamina, which we want it all the way in front. There we go. There we go. Okay, perfect. So let's delete this and let's run it. 1, 2, 3. Oops. 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, what am I counting here? Let's count. Let's do. Oops. So this one I'm going to do, I'm going to force it into 4 camera, main camera. I can't change it because it's static, but it's just 6, so that's okay. Cool. Let's make sure that this works. Oh, but I clicked it, nothing happened. That's not good. Okay. Something's going on here. Did I even set the collider? Stamina's here. And let's go to game controller. Let's say 4. So we can easily, so that means we have 1 left and we only have 1 that we have to avoid. Oops. Yeah. Let's let him get closer here so it's going to be easy to grab. Okay, so is it not triggering? And does my character have a player? Should have. Where's my guy? Oh, there he is. His tag player. Should have a tag player on him. Tag player. Oh, is it capitalized? Yeah, it is. So what if I put this over here? Oh. Okay. So now it works. You hit stamina drop. Okay. Wait a second. So what if it's not a trigger? I think that's what happened. Okay. Interesting. Just make sure my stamina refills. Okay, it does. Why does it not hit that one? That's what I'm gonna do. Let's click this one. Let's move this guy like over there somewhere. Yeah. 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 Oops. Okay. So let's see. It's not trigger. That's this, right? IsTrigger. So what is the difference between this one why is it huh? Ah. Oh, sorry, this is my new browser that I use now. It makes a sound. Oh, IsTrigger. So I have to use the IsTrigger property. I see. So this is IsTrigger. I see. So you have to use two different. Wait. On trigger enter. There we go. So now it should work. Okay, so on collision enter 2D and on trigger enter 2D. And oh. Oh, I think it's gotta use it. It's gonna use a So I think this is different. This is collision 2D. Is it trigger 2D? No, it does not look like it's. Okay. Oh, this is the wrong one. That's why. Okay, so let's... Sorry about that. Okay, sorry. So it's this one. So you gotta use onTrigger enter for a 2D for a trigger. Okay, so let's go ahead and start this up here again. Wait. The message parameter. Okay, so this is the actual appropriate one here. Oh, let's see if I hit it. Bam! Perfect. Okay, so now let's make sure that these guys can pass through it. Oh, wait a second. Oh, it says 9, but I told it that it was 4. So let's make sure they can pass through it. Good deal. Let me kill him real quick and make sure I can get it. Cool. All right, it's done. Okay, so let's delete this. Let's go back to project. Let's open this up. Delete this. I think 10 is a little extreme at the beginning, so let's do like 7. And we'll probably have it scale differently and work better for different levels. Okay, so now the other thing that we need to work on is the scaling of the health and scaling of the stamina. So over time, it's concatenating it to an int. Is there like an every second? Okay, this is perfect. So, oh, this is my new, this is kind of cool. I think it's called OperaFX. Yeah, I think it's OperaFX is for like gaming where you could control the different RAM. You could limit the RAM and limit the CPU, which is kind of cool because my Firefox gets a little crazy. It uses up like 2 gigs all the time. So, okay, so okay, so what is invoke repeating method name, float time, float repeat rate? Okay, so let's say here Okay, so let's just go in here and then stamina refresh, it's going to call. And then basically what I'm going to have is a stamina overflow, which is a double, and then stamina rate. So I'm going to say here, where'd it go? Okay, so we're going to have stamina. Let's put this method in here. Launching projectile. I think that's the method it said it was going to call. String, method name, float, time, float, repeat rate. Ooh. Okay, so basically what we're going to do is we're going to cut this. So let me stamina refresh. Okay. So that's the only one, so that's good. So that means it's not being called anywhere else. Stamina refresh. And then we have every blank seconds. So it's float time, float repeat rate. Time. Oh, starting in 2 seconds. We want to start at 0, basically. And every 1 second, we want it to increase 0.1 stamina, let's say. So we're going to say stamina overflow plus equals stamina rate. Stamina rate, we're going to make we're going to make this a double. And then but it's going to add it every time. So this is what we're going to do. Once it's over, if stamina overflow is greater than or equal to 1, then stamina plus equals stamina overflow. And then stamina overflow equals 0. Can you see what it says, bro? Oh, it shouldn't add it if it's going over and plus every point. Well, 0.1 seconds, very quick. Let's do like every 5 seconds. So total, you get, oh, not stamina rate. We need to make that a variable at the top so you can change it. Oops. Wow, why is that going so fast? Alright, well, we'll figure that out. Anyways, we're out of time here. So this has been Steven from Legit Tech Tutorials, the Legit PC and the Legit Mobile. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is episode 10, episode 10. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take it easy. Peace.